Hello students, now let us learn a very important grammar topic, that is reported speech. First of all, what is speech? Speech is nothing but whatever we speak is called our speech. We use our speech to report the ideas that are our own. Also, we speak to report the speech of any other person to still another person. This job of reporting can be done in two ways, directly or indirectly. Now, let us try to understand them in detail. Here, you can observe two distinction parts. One is direct speech and the other is indirect speech. You can also observe the examples given in this distinction. The same sentence is changed into the other sentence, but the matter is same in both sentences. In the direct speech, the sentence is divided into two parts. The part outside the quotation marks, that is I say, is the first part, and the part within the quotation mark, that is I am a philosopher, is second part. In the first part, you can see a subject I and a verb say. So this subject and verb makes report in each sentence. So it is called the reporting verb. And in the second part, it has actual words to the person whose speech is reported so. It is called reported speech, that is I am a philosopher. In the indirect speech, each sentence clearly shows that the speech of another person has not been reported exactly as it was. I say that I am a philosopher. Its substance has been reported in the words of reporter, but the reported speech, that is actual words, are same. So it means the sentence is indirect. So it is called indirect speech or indirect report. Rules. To recognize the difference between the direct and the indirect speech, there are some rules to be followed by the speaker. So, note down the following rules to understand the distinction. Here in the below, I have given the one example. That is, Ram says, I need money. It is in the direct speech. When we change it into the indirect speech, it becomes Ram says that he needs money. So what all changes we made? Just observe first point. The reporting verb is followed by a comma. That is Ram says. After Ram says, we have put a comma. And the reported speech, I need money, it is placed within the inverted commas. And you can also see the first word of the reported speech begins with a capital letter I. And when we change it into indirect speech, the reporting verb is not followed by comma, but it followed by the conjunction. See, Ram says, after we removed the comma, in that place we placed conjunction that. And the reported speech is not placed within the inverted commas. He needs money. And the reported speech is changed that its pronouns I becomes he. And sometimes tenses and some other word suitable also changes according to the reporter. And the reporting verb too is sometimes changed in view of the nature of the reported speech. These are all the common changes we are observing when we change the direct speech into the indirect speech. Now let us see direct and indirect speech rules along with the examples here. To know the entire concept, there are some other rules to be followed. They are mentioned here. We will see with the example one by one. First one, physical changes. In indirect speech, the initial comma and the inverted commas at both ends are deleted, and such punctuation marks as question mark, exclamatory mark are not used, as all kinds of sentences become mere statements in the reported speech. Example, Gandhiji said truth is God. It's in the direct speech. When we change it in indirect speech, it becomes Gandhiji said that truth is God. And in the second rule, distance of time. For our convenience, the words outside the inverted commas may be called the reporting part or reporting verbs, and the words within the inverted commas may be called the report. Though the reporting part is generally untouched, a few changes are made when required. For example, if the report is a question, then the outside verb, that is reporting verb, is modified as asked or inquired. If it is a request, then asked or requested. If it is an order, instructed or told him or her. In the case of an exclamation, exclaimed, wondered, and so on. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, then while being reported, the verbs in the report within the inverted commas change as follows. If it is in the present tense, goes and go is there, it is going to change into the past tense as went. Future tense, will go, it is going to change as a would go in the indirect speech. And past tense, went, it is going to become past perfect tense as had gone, etc. This rule does not apply if the report or the statement within the inverted commas is a universal truth, like man dies, the sun rises in the east, etc. You can see example here. Example, the teacher said, I will be on a leave. The teacher said that he or she would be on leave. The teacher said the earth moves around the sun. So it is a universal, no changes. The teacher said that the earth moves around the sun. If the reporting verb outside the inverted commas is either in the present tense or the future tense, then the verbs within the inverted commas remain the same. Example, you can see here. My father says, I do not know philosophy. In the indirect speech, my father says that he does not know philosophy. Third rule, distance of relationship. The pronouns in the report undergo changes relatively to the reporting person, whatever in the first person. That is I, we, me, mine, my, us, etc. in the report has to change according to the speaker of the dialogue. Sandhya said, I know the thief. This is one of the example. And in the indirect speech, Sandhya said that she knew the thief. Second example, Bhima said, I don't like this. Bhima said that he did not like that. And likewise, anything in the second person, you, your, etc. has to be referred to the listener of the dialogue. So here you can see one more example. Rama said to Sita, I don't want you to come with me. Rama said to Sita that he did not want her to go with him. You can see the changes. Thus, words like this, etc. change in the following manner. You can see below. This becomes that, now becomes then, today changes as that day, tomorrow that next day, yesterday changes the previous day, these, those, tonight, that night, here, there. Fourth example, use or omission of that. When the initial inverted commas are deleted, the reporting portion and the report get mixed up. To demarcate them, the following are steps followed. If the report is a statement, then that should replace the inverted commas. Example here, Vanaja said, I wrote the correct answer. Indirect speech, Vanaja said that she had written the correct answer. Second one, if the report is an order or a request, then to replaces the inverted commas. You can see example here. The teacher said to the monitor, bring a few pieces of chalk. In the indirect speech, the teacher told the monitor to bring a few pieces of chalk. If the report is a question, then for questions that accept the answer either yes or no, replace the inverted commas with if or whether. For questions that accept descriptive answers, WH questions, begin replace with the same questioning word. Example you can see here. The teacher asked Manu, do you like sweets? Indirect speech. The teacher asked Manu whether or if he or she liked sweets. Second example you can see. The teacher said to Manu, how many jamuns can you eat? The indirect speech. The teacher asked Manu how many jamuns he or she could eat. Please note the questions turned into statements in the reported speech above. If the report is an exclamatory remark, then the reporting verb may be changed as wondered or exclaimed, and an adjective may be added instead of an interjection like oh, alas, etc. The inverted commas are substituted by that. Example here. Arjuna said, what a great sight. Arjuna exclaimed that it was a great sight. So the other ways. There are other ways too of preparing the reported speech, like expressing the summary or the meaning of the report. Example, Sudha said to Suma, please have a cup of coffee. Sudha offered Suma a cup of coffee. So dear students, these things today we learned. I hope you all understood. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Thank you so much.